Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to view block list on TikTok. Whether you want to unblock someone or just want to know who has been blocked, I have got you covered. Stick around as in this guide, I will be showing you guys how to view your TikTok block list in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find the fin option. Navigate to the option of profile. Once you're in this page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. The fin options will pop up. Click on the option Settings and Privacy. Now here you're going to find the fin section. Head over to the section account. Under that, you're going to find the option of privacy. Click on that. Now scroll down. You'll find the option of blocked accounts at the very bottom. Click on that. Now in this page, you will be able to find the block list. So these are the accounts that I have blocked. If you want to unblock any of the user, click on the option of unblock. Do the same for other users as well. Just click on unblock. With that, these people will be unblocked. So this way you can easily view blocked user list on TikTok. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.